Hello everyone, so I got this Effino 2.25 electrical voltage stabilizer. So I'm gonna do the unboxing for it today. Now let's see. So packing looks nice. Okay. Oh, lovely. This is the small one, and it is quite heavy, it's only 2.5 kgs. Let us see what's inside the box. Instruction manual, warranty guide, stabilizer wall mounting procedures, and nothing else. Coming up to this, let's quickly open this. So these are the wall mounting screws, and here's our Effino 2.25 stabilizer. Here's the warranty seal, and you can see the model over here, the capacity, the working range, output voltage, and it doesn't has any wobbly noise. It has two 6 ampere sockets and 6 ampere pin. So it comes with 2 years of warranty. I bought it for my 35-inch TV. So let me plug it and then we will see how it works. So give me a minute. Let me untie it. And I'm gonna plug it into socket. I plugged it, and you can see it's coming with a red light, and then it turns green after few seconds. In the description it has mentioned like 3 to 4 second delay is there. So I will review it. I will review the performances. I will review whether it works for my TV and play console or not, and will update you. Thank you.